Hey everybody, it's Chris. I'm the president and the founder of TeleJustice Academy. I've been reading some of your guys' comments, and I just want to say this: I'm not AI. I am not sitting in front of a green screen. I shoot these videos right here from the ridge in my house in Imperial, Missouri. This is all real. If you like robocalls and you like telemarketers harassing you, just scroll past this video. It's not for you. This is for the 234 million people out there who are on the no-call list and still get robocalls and telemarketer texts and calls every day. In the first couple of videos that I shot for you guys, I talked a little bit about the numbers and about the damages that are not being litigated every single year by consumers who are entitled to this money. That's a bit about what I want to talk about today. I want to talk about, let's start the process together. When you get a telemarketer call and it comes up as a telemarketer call on your caller ID, or it doesn't, you need to try to engage those telemarketers and get as much information as you can from them. You don't have to be smart. Don't try to be funny. If you want to work this process and get the money that they're going to owe you for that call, just listen real carefully. Get as much information as you can. Take notes on it. Take that number and run it through a free caller ID service. There's a bunch of them out there, and I describe a whole bunch of them in my book. Then just start the process. Put that contact in your phone, because the chances are that telemarketer's got what's called a VoIP bank. So they're buying 200 numbers at a time, and they can just keep calling you from any number. But every time they do, and you can identify it as the same company that they're calling on behalf of, you add that new number right to that same contact, right to the first contact. It makes them super easy to track. And that's going to be really important. Now, I have been involved in over 1,000 telemarketing cases in my career. And this process that I have written for you guys works. I make a lot of money doing this in my spare time. And the problem is, I can't come and do it for you. You have to do it yourself. So let's just take it step by step in every video, and we're going to learn this together, and you're going to be an empowered consumer. That's my goal here. My goal is to assure that you know how to get your part of the $340 trillion in unlitigated damages every year. And for all you guys that are naysayers out there and say, oh, this isn't real, it's a scam, let me tell you what, I'm sitting on a ridge that a telemarketer bought for my family. I'm looking at a hot tub that a telemarketer bought for my family. I own a 74 Corvette that a telemarketer bought for me. I own a very nice touring Harley Davidson, ultra limited, that a telemarketer bought for me. And we live in a beautiful home that telemarketers pay for every single month. I didn't have to do this, but I want to empower you guys. It's all out there, and they're going to keep calling unless we all join this movement. This movement is real. This is the money that you will earn from these telemarketing calls is real, and you'll see it right in your bank account. Stay tuned for part 4.